YouTube, Mike here, and today I wanted to show you 3 tweaks or 3 apps to do true multitasking on your iPad, not just the double tap the home button and scroll over, but actual true multitasking. So with that, let's get started. What's up YouTube, Mike here again, and I wanted to show you the 3 apps I mentioned, and the first is going to be, it's called App Heads. And again, with these, they all come from the Cydia store, so you will have to be jailbroken. Again, read the description and I'll include the names of all these apps and a video link to how to jailbreak your device. But this is what makes jailbreaking worth it, and this is how you can get the true power from your iPad. So again, the first one is App Heads, so I'm just going to open couple random apps. And as you can see, when you open an app, you can see it looks the same as what you get with Facebook Messenger, but it's a little app head similar to chat heads, but you can move it wherever you want around the screen. So let me open another app to show you. And I like to use this when I use a mouse. It just seems more intuitive and simpler. So let's open the App Store over here. But just to show you, so a quick way to switch between apps, and also gives you a preview. So, you know, if I just tap it one time, it brings up basically a smaller window, but it's still fully functional, and you still have your previous app open behind it. And if you want to close it, you just hold it down. And if I double tap this, it brings it into full screen. There you go. And then again, go back to the other. One tap and there it is. So that's a quick way to multitask. To me, it's quicker than double tapping the home button and doing the old way or using the 4-finger swipe gesture. So again, I'll hold this down. It'll close that app. Close out the second one and I'm back to my home screen. So that one is called App Heads. And now I'll show you the next one, which is so far my absolute favorite, and this really makes jailbreaking worth it. And it's called Video Pane. And this one will require a separate source from Cydia, but I will include that in the description. But for instance, you know, it works with YouTube or any video app. So I'll open YouTube right now just to show you. So this allows you to do essentially what Android's been doing for years. You can have a multi-window. So we'll open a video here just to show you. Make sure it's turned down. And when you open a video, it gives you the option to detach it. So if I hit detach, it does just that. So now I can slide this anywhere I want and works in landscape or portrait. And if I open any other app, it's going to keep playing. So, you know, this is something where if you want to, whatever, you're reading the news, doing homework, you can still be watching videos at the same time. And this does work with the native iOS video app as well. So truly awesome. And again, Android's been doing this for years, but I don't know why Apple won't include it. Hopefully they will in the next update. But in the meantime, that's why we have jailbreaking. So let me close this one. All right, as you can see, it was a little bit buggy, but again, you just tap it. You can resize it, make it full screen, or just close it. So that was Video Pane. And then thirdly, is one it was created for the iPhone, works awesome on the iPhone, but it uses the reachability function that's built into the iPhone. Of course, the iPad doesn't have that, but this app still uses the same gestures. And this one is called Reach App, and this is nothing more. You double tap Touch ID as if you would on the iPhone. And let me open some apps here just to show you. So if I have an app open, I double tap this and it's going to bring up, actually I got to have more than one app open. Yeah, I don't have any apps open, so let's see, iTunes. And we'll go down here and we'll open up Notes. So now we'll open up, let's see, we'll open up YouTube as well. And so whatever reason I'm in YouTube, I double tap this and bam. So it's it shows you everything you have open and you can select one of these. So if I want to pick Notes, and then I've got true multi-window capability, and you can resize it. And each half is fully functional. There we go. You gotta grab it in the right spot. So I can scroll down here. I can come up here. I can type in Notes. Still got my App Heads running. But again, it works awesome on the iPhone. This will work in portrait or landscape. But I found that when I go into landscape, it's a little more buggy. So it was really designed for the iPhone, so it's portrait is the most effective way to use it. So it does work, as you can see. You know, I can pick iTunes up here, and it's fully functional. So it's true multi-window on the iPad. So really, this is currently the only way you can do it for iOS 8, is this app on the iPad. There are other jailbreaks out there, however, they haven't updated them yet to iOS 8. So again, hopefully that helps you guys. This shows that you can really use the full capabilities of your iPad. So please like and subscribe. Thanks.